Now, if you've subscribed to my OnlyFans page, you'll see how to make this amazing, beautiful, fresh mayonnaise. You'd be amazed just how simple it is. Now we're going to take it to the next level and make what's known as a beautiful classic tartare sauce. Okay, so what goes into a tartare sauce? Our mayonnaise, a little bit of flat leaf parsley or curly parsley, doesn't really matter. 1 boiled egg, a couple of cornichons, how they would say, or gherkins, and a handful of capers. This little sauce is a classic with scampi that I'm going to show you how to make on the OnlyFans page. Beautiful fresh scampi. Or any kind of fish and chips. You know, you go into these great fish and chips around the place and you get this beautiful fresh tartare sauce. Well, that's exactly what I'm showing you how to make. So we've got, you can see there, if you are a usual subscriber, you'll know we don't measure anything. About 2 teaspoons of capers, just chop them up. And these just give a lovely salty kind of bite to it. I shall show you dills every time I throw something and get into the mayo. Beautiful. Now, we shall do up my gherkins, little small dice, and that goes into it as well. And as I said, this is simple. This is a great little recipe, and especially if you're entertaining at home or just doing a normal dinner, you can make this a couple of days beforehand. This will stay fresh in your fridge 4 or 5 days easily. It won't last that long because you'll be eating it, but it'll last 4 or 5 days easily. And you can make this as sharp and as taut as you like. I love it with a little bit. I'm one of these guys, Dills will tell you, when it comes to chips, I put the bottle of vinegar on my chips. I love the sharpness of it. So, same with this. You can just make it as little as tart as you want, a couple of extra gherkins if you want, or a few extra capers. Nice and simple, small dice. Dills, get in and show them how small that dice is, like so. And I shall pick that up. Look at that, beautiful. Into the mayo. And everybody thinks these things are really hard to make. They are simple. I'm going to use the egg last. Tea towel. I'm going to use the egg last because that makes a bit of a mess on the board. So in we go. A fine chop of our flat leaf or curly parsley or whatever you want. There's a few stalks and all. Doesn't really matter. Nothing difficult, as you can see. That goes into our mayo. And last but not least, we shall put in our boiled egg. Hard-boiled egg. Now, if you want, you can separate the egg yolk and the egg white. Well, that's a bit of extra work, Dills. We don't really need to do we?
No.
Now, dicey, dicey, dicey. This is how simple it is. Subscribe to my OnlyFans page, guys. I'm going to show you how to make this. About 30 videos up there already, loads of great recipes and everything. It's the only place I'm putting all these full videos. And the next up will be how to make beautiful fresh scampi. Because let's face it, all these things are gone very expensive at the moment. So if you can buy the raw ingredients and make them yourself, it's a fraction of the price and you get to eat all the deliciousness. A little pinch of salt. I know I've seasoned the mayonnaise already, a little bit of pepper, but just because we've added in the extra bits and pieces, we just want to season that. I'm actually also going to put a couple extra drops of lemon juice. Just help thin it down a bit. That's as simple as it is, guys, to make a classic tartare sauce. Mix it all up, look at that. And imagine now dipping in beautiful fresh prawns or a nice little bit of battered cod or plaice or sole or something like that. An absolute classic. That's how you make it. One beautiful, I should taste it. Everyone says, why don't you taste it? Well, I know what it tastes like because I've made it before. But that now, beautiful. Doesn't even need anything. You can just tuck away into that, of course. Classic tartare sauce.